Hi everyone, welcome to FoodyVibes. Today we are making grilled chicken burger. As you can see here, I cut one chicken breast in 6 to 7 pieces lengthwise and placed the chicken cutlet between two sheets of plastic wrap. And now we'll be using a meat mallet and pound the chicken till it is even in thickness. Now we are going to marinate the chicken. In a medium bowl, we'll combine the salt, pepper, paprika powder, oil, melted butter, ginger and garlic paste, yogurt, some barbecue sauce, and some lemon juice. Mix well, add the chicken and coat well in the sauce and let it sit at least for 1 hour for a more tender and juicy chicken. Meanwhile, we'll slice some tomatoes and some onions also. Next, I will be showing you a coleslaw in Thai style. First, in a mortar, I put 1 chopped garlic cloves and around 2 chopped chilies, grind them together with a pestle. Then I add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, some lemon juice, half teaspoon of peanut butter and grind them together with some pepper. Here I have 1 cup of finely chopped cabbage in which I will put the paste and mix them together. Some yogurt. Mix well. Now for a more healthy sauce, combine some yogurt with some mayonnaise together with some barbecue sauce and ketchup. Mix well and keep aside. We are gonna grill our chicken on medium flame. In a non-stick pan, place the chicken and it is optional up to you if you want to add some more oil. We'll keep tossing the chicken and let it cook for about 8 minutes each side. We are gonna look for a charred, colored and well-cooked chicken like here. I'm taking out all the chicken and toast the buns a bit. Next, we'll assemble the burger. Place 1 bun on a flat surface, put some sauce, place the hot chicken and cheese on top, slice of tomatoes, slice of onion, a leaf of fresh lettuce, some of the Thai coleslaw, some more sauce, and cover it with the top bun. Wow, so yummy! Hope you have all enjoyed my video. Keep liking and subscribe. Bye bye.